Hey guys, welcome back. We're on our way. We are leaving North Vancouver, finally. We're gonna go to the IKEA furniture store. I've never been there before. I've never even seen what's like in the inside. Let's go check it out. I'm kind of curious, but I do need a mirror. And I was thinking of grabbing the same mirror Chrome has, and I'm not gonna break it like I did my glass mirror. So yeah, let's go for a little adventure. At least we don't have a 25-minute rush hour traffic slowdown or whatever the heck it was called last night. All right, we'll see you guys down the road. Holy crap, this place is huge. It's like 4 stories and it's got a ground floor for parking alone. Crazy. All right, let's go explore. That's what I'm looking for. That's cool. I'd like to put that in the van, like on the roof, in the cabin area. You can hang stuff off of, like phones and stuff. We got another one here. This one's kind of cool. This one's like zip tied, but these ones got like these straps. This one's got a hook. It's kind of interesting. I like that. Oh, it's the stand-up desk too. This place is so cool. I'm already lost. A lot of cool stuff here. I kind of wish I was here building my van up. There's some cool stuff I could have added instead of what I've done. Nothing crazy, but pretty freaking cool. That's crazy. Crazy. I didn't realize I went up 2 stories and then went down another story and then I had to go down another story just to get to the parking lot. That's crazy. That's huge. You can spend hours in there and you can still get lost. All right, we're back at the van. All right, let's hit the road. We gotta go to Langley for a quick detour. We're gonna meet a guy and he would like a bracelet made. So I'm gonna make him a custom made bracelet. So yeah, come along with me. We're gonna go find somewhere to park in Langley until we meet up with him when he gets off work. See you guys in a few. So in a little bit, I'm meeting up with a buddy. He wants me to make a custom bracelet. Basically, he wants me to take like a pretty much a watch, but it's like for a GoPro. It's to like start and stop your GoPro. And he wants me to build a bracelet that he can put on his wrist. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna make a bracelet. We're gonna make 2 bracelets, one on one side and then one on the other side. And then it's gonna basically connect to basically a watch. So we're just waiting for him to get off work. Once he's off work, we'll go meet up with him. Yeah, I've got these mirrors, but I don't know where to put them. I was thinking like here, or like here. But I haven't quite figured out exactly where I want to put it yet. Okay guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Job's well done, got paid. Let's move on to the next location. We got a good drive ahead of us. It looks like there's a stalled vehicle on the bridge. Yeah, I'm gonna go over Portman Bridge back to Maple Ridge, and we're gonna find a place to park and call it a night. Got everything taken care of. But yeah, finally moved on. We've been in North Vancouver for just over a month, quite literally. So now we're out of North Vancouver, we're in Maple Ridge. We're gonna head straight to the Stave River in the morning. All right guys, don't forget to hit the like on the video, the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hopefully we'll see you guys on the next episode of Life with Spike. Peace out.